Good morning children, I hope class 6 children are watching this video and I hope you must be keeping well. We have been doing whole numbers. Already we have started operations on whole numbers and we had seen in last video properties of addition. So I hope you must have done some examples also we had seen, and it was told to do exercise 3b. Many of you must have done also and many of you might have started, and even we had seen some magic square and it was told to complete your exercise. In that you have questions also. So those who have completed, be with your notebook so that together you can check either you have done correctly or not, and those who have not done, just be with your copy book so that together you can complete your exercise. So let's start. Here you see in today's class we will see exercise 3b. So simple questions are there, only I will explain how it to be done. So let's start. Here you see you have exercise 3b. First question you have, fill in the blanks to make each of the following a true statement. First question you have 458 plus 639 is equal to 639 plus what? So you need to fill this. So as if you remember last day we had seen a plus b is equal to b plus a, that was closure property, properties of addition we had seen. So if any number you have, suppose 5 plus 4, it can be written as 4 plus 5, since if you are adding 5 and 4, the same number you will get if you are adding 4 and 5, sum will be 9. So in the same way here it has been given 458 plus 639 is equal to, here you can write 458. In the same way this is there, 864 plus 2006 can be written as 2006 plus 864. Next you have 1946 plus what number you will have? 984. And here you have 8063 plus 0. If any number you are adding with 0, then what you will get? The same number will not change. That already it was explained. Here you see this number plus in bracket you have, if you remember it was there, a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. This rule was given. If you remember, the same thing has been applied over here. So your answer will be 574 plus 53,501 plus 799. This can be written. Next you have, add the following numbers and check by reversing the order of the addends. So here you have, you need to check the following numbers by reversing the order of the addends. Here you have, suppose you have 16509 and 114. If you want to add this, what sum you will get, you see. 9 and 4, 13. 1 you have, 1 and 1, 2. Here you have 6. Here you have 6 and 1. So you have got 16,623. Now these addends what you have, if you are reversing this, it means as it has been written 16,509 plus 114, if it is written 114 plus 16,509, then what sum you are getting? 114 and plus you have 16,509. You need to add this. 4 and 9, 13. Here you have 2, 6, 6, 1. So same sum you are getting. Either you are writing a plus b or b plus a. So both the addends, if you are reversing that, the same sum you will get. So that you had to check. So after writing this, you will write checked or verified. You will write checked or verified. Next you see 2359 plus 548. What you will get, you see. 8 and 9, 17. 1 you have, 4 and 5, 9 and 1, 10. Again 1 you have, 5 and 3 8 and 1 9, and this is 2. Now reverse the order. 5 4 8 plus 2 3 5 9. What you will get? You see 8 and 9 again 17. 1 you will have 5 and 4 9, 9 and 1 10. 1 again you have 3 and 5 8 and 1 9 and 2. So even if you are reversing the order, the same sum you are getting. Next you see, in the same way this is required to be done. I hope you will be able to do. So in the same way you will do, and at last you write checked, and this is your answer. Next you see question number 3. Find the sum 1546 plus 498 in bracket plus 3589. Also find the sum 1546 plus 498 plus 3589 in bracket. Are the two sums equal? State the property satisfied. So here you see you have 1546 plus 498. So this is in bracket, what numbers are there, that is required to simplify it first. Plus 3589. You add this. How will you solve this? 8 and 6 14, 9 and 1 13 and 1 14 again, 4 and 5 9 and 1 10, 1 you have 1 and 1 2. So 2044 you have got, plus 3589. 9 and 4 13, 1 you have, 8 and 4 12 and 1 13, 5 and 1 6 and 3 and 2 5. Now here you see 1546 plus 498 plus 3589. Here you see 1546 plus, it is needed to be added, 9 and 8 17, 8 and 9 17 and 1 18, 5 and 4 9 and 1 10, and 1 you have, this is 4. Now this is required to be added. 7 and 6 13, 8 and 4 12 and 1 13, 5 and 1 6 and 5. So finally if you are adding this number, you have got 5633, and again if you have added this one, so you have got 5633. So the two sums are equal. You will write yes, the two sums are equal. State the property satisfied. If you remember which property it was, the associative law of addition of whole number. So this will be your answer. Next you see, determine each of the sums given below using suitable rearrangement. So here you see few questions I am solving, rest of the questions you try to solve by yourself. So 953 you have, and 707 you have, and 647 you have. So if you are adding any two numbers, you must get zeros at last so that it will be added easily. So if you are adding first one, you see 953 plus 647, if you will group together and then you are adding 707, then how it will be solved? You see 3 plus 7 10, 4 plus 5 9 and 1 10, 6 and 9 15 and 1 16. So you have got 1600 plus 707. So easily now it can be added. Here you see 0 and 7 0, 7 0 and 0, 7 and 6 13 and 1 this 1 and 1 2, so 2307 you have got. So in this way these numbers are required to be grouped and rearranged suitably. This is required to be rearranged and then you need to add. Second question, you see 1983, 647, 217, 353. So 1983 and 217 can be grouped together. 1983 plus 217 and 647 plus 353. If you are grouping, what will you get? You see 3 and 7, 10, 1 and 8, 9 and 1, 10, 2 and 9, 11 and 1, 12, 1 you have, this became 2, plus 7 and 3, 10, 4 and 5, 9 and 1, 10, 3 and 6, 9 and 1, 10. So here you have 2200 and 1000. It means 3200, and this is your answer. So in this way you need to group numbers, you need to rearrange numbers and can be added. Next, all the numbers you need to do by yourself. You try to group these all by yourself and try to add. Here you see, just you see 96 and 4 if you are adding, you will get 100. 3 and 97 if you are adding, you will get 100. 2 and 98 you are adding, you will get 100. 1 and 99 you are adding, you will get 100. So just you see how many hundreds you will have. This pair 4 plus 96, you will get 100. Second pair 97 plus 3, you will get 100. Then 2 plus 98, you will get 100. And lastly 1 plus 99, you will get 100. Means how many times you are getting? 4 times. It means your answer will be 400. So in the proper way in notebook, in proper way you rearrange these numbers and then you add. Easily you will be able to add the numbers. Next you see, find the sum by short method. Here you have 6784 plus 9999. So as it was told last day, it was explained in example, it can be written as 6784 plus 9999. If you are writing 10,000 minus 1, the same thing you are writing. 10,000 minus 1, it means 9,999. Now here you have 10,000 and here you have 6,784. 10,000 and 6,784 will be 16,784, and then minus 1, it means 16,783, and this will be your answer. So by shortcut method, by this way, this is required to be solved. Here you see, you have 10578, 1 2 3 4 5, you have 99,999. So if 99,000 you have, just that can be written as 1 lakh minus 1. So you will get 99,999. Now it can be written as, here you have 10,000. So 1 lakh 10,000, 1 lakh 10,578 and minus 1. It means 1 lakh 10,577, and this will be your answer. So in this way, this is required to be done. Question number 6, you see, for any whole numbers a, b, c, is it true that a plus b plus c is equal to a plus c plus b? A plus b here you have in whole, and here you have c plus b. So you can write in this way. Is it true that this is this will be? So you need to give reason. So how will you solve this question? Here you will write yes, this is true, true that if A, B and C are any whole number, then A plus B plus C is equal to A plus C plus B. Since you will write it satisfy the associative law and commutative law of property of addition. Here, if you remember, in associative law what we had, A plus B plus C can be written as A plus B plus C. This is associative law. This you remember. Second, what is there? Commutative law. Here you see B plus C can be written as C plus B, or A plus B can be written as B plus A. A plus B can be written as B plus A. So that is what? Commutative property of addition of whole number. So this is commutative property. This is commutative property. So both the property you have over here, associative law and commutative law. So this is satisfied. This what has been written, A plus B in whole plus C is equal to A plus C plus B in whole, that satisfy both the property, associative law of addition and commutative law of addition of whole number. Next you have complete each one of the following magic squares by supplying the missing numbers. So just you think yourself, as it was told, this in magic square what you had? Horizontal line, vertical line and diagonal line. So horizontal line all three, vertical line all three, and diagonal, two diagonals, the sum should be equal. So here you see what sum it is coming, 8 and 5 13 and 2 15. Now you need to see, here you see two numbers have been given, here what number should be there, so that you will get sum 15. So 9 and 2 11. So what we will add on 11 so that we will get 15? We need to add 4. So 11 plus 4 is equal to 15. Now here you see 4 and 5 9. So in 9 what we will add so that we will get 15? 6 should be added. Now 8 and 6 you have, 8 and 6 14. 14 plus 1 is equal to 15. Now 6 and 2 8. 8 plus 7 is equal to 15. Now 5 and 7 12. 12 and 3 is 15. Now you check this, 8 and 4 12 and 3 15. So in this diagonal you have got 15, in this diagonal also you have got 15. In horizontally you are saying this is 15, 3 and 5 8 and 7 15. So in horizontally you are saying these all three horizontal lines you have got 15. Vertically you check, 7 and 2 9 and 6 15, 9 and 5 14 and 1 15, 8 and 4 12 and 3 15. So in vertical three lines also you have got 15. So in the same way these questions also are required to be solved. I think you must have solved also. If you have not solved, just you try to solve by yourself. 16 plus 10. 16 plus 10 is equal to 26 and 4 30. Here you are getting 30. Now you see here what number should be there, so that 16 plus 2 is equal to 18, what number you will get? So that you will get 30. You think yourself and write down. And in the same way, other numbers also you see and try to complete this. So these all you need to do. Then you have question number 8. Write true for T for true and F for false for each of the following statements. The sum of two odd numbers is an odd number. Here you see the sum of two odd number. Any two odd number you write. 3 plus 7. What you are getting? 10. Is it true? The sum of two odd numbers is an odd number. This is not true. This is false. The sum of any other examples also can be taken. Suppose 3 plus 5, what you will get? 8. The sum of two even numbers is an even numbers. You see any example you take? 2 plus 4, 6 you will get. 6 plus 10 you see, 16 you have got. Any other number you take? 22 plus 8, what you have got? 30. So any two, the sum of two even numbers, any two even numbers you take, some other numbers also you try by yourself and see the sum what it is coming. Always it will come even number. So this is true. The sum of an even number and an odd number is an odd number. Here you see the sum of even number. So if any even number you try 2, and an odd number suppose 3 we have taken. What we have got? 5. Any other number you take, suppose 11 plus 4, even number, odd number, what we have got? 15. It means if any even and odd we are adding, we are getting odd number. So this is true. So in this way you need to find out by yourself. Some other bigger numbers also you can put and you find out, you will get if odd and even numbers are getting added, you will get odd numbers. So in this way we have completed this exercise, and rest all the questions whatever are left which has not been done now, it is required to be done and it must be there in your notebook. Next day we will see subtraction in whole numbers, and till then thank you.